Good evening, friends. Now, today first of all, I offer my Diwali greetings to all my clients, my well-wishers, friends, and relatives. Today, I am going to discuss something about the investment strategies that you can do in mutual fund. To take three important points. One is SIP, then SWP, then other strategies. Here in SIP, I'll be covering a new phenomenon, new concept that's called smart SIP, we call it. Now you all know what is SIP. It is nothing but you decide an amount which has to be invested every month in a selected mutual fund. So every month you will be giving SIP by way of installment to selected funds. This is called SIP, and at the end of it you get a better return. So longer the stay in that, you will get higher return. This everybody knows it. Similarly, what is SWP? Here I have given a brief video on SWP also. It is nothing but systematic withdrawal plan. This is also, you can also call it as retirement plan or pension plan also. What we are going to do is, in SIP we will invest it every month, but here in SWP we will invest a lump sum amount. From that lump sum amount we will ask for a pension amount or a monthly withdrawal amount to our account. These are all automated and it will be credited to your account every month. So this is SWP. This is the difference between SIP and SWP. Now, lot of people have asked, generally this SWP, what we do is, your sum, it is being collected, it is always pooled and invested in a balanced advantage fund. It's a combination of debt and equity. From the debt fund, your SWP will start. But general advice to all our investors is that immediately you did not start your SWP. You pool your fund in a particular fund as recommended by your advisor, then stay for 1 year, then after 1 year certain percentage you can always, that is, do SWP, which will be credited to your account. So this is the safe way. This is another that is planned for a pension fund. See, we may not be drawing pension, but with your one-time investment you can always have a pension-like amount at the end of every month. Now these are all automated and you can do it very easily. Once you fix the SWP and fix the fund also, then the SWP will start coming to you every month and the same amount will be credited to your account. So these are all automated, you will not worry. Once you do it, it will be executed without any problem. Now, a lot of people have inquired about the taxation point of view. From taxation point of view also, it is very simple. If you hold it, if your SWP is started within a year, so up to 1 year it is classified under short-term gain, where it will be taxed at 15%. But if you wait for 1 year, after 1 year, you have got an exemption of 1 lakh. So whatever the capital gain, whatever the profit that you are gaining from SWP, it is taxed at the rate of 10%. But long-term capital gain more than 1 year, you have got an exemption up to 1 lakh. So the capital gain is taxed only after rupees 1 lakh. That is what I have told you. Wait for 12 months, then start your SWP. After 12 months, your tax outflow may not be high. As compared to any other schemes in the market, this is one of the best schemes. So all retired people or anybody who wants a fixed income to his account, they can always do it. So now we have seen something about SIP, we have seen something about SWP. Now what in SIP, now we have seen regular SIP. Now there is something called in SIP, there is something called SIP, smart SIP. Different fund houses call by different names, but for the purpose of our understanding, I am calling it as smart SIP. Now what is smart SIP? See, SIP follows the very important principle. As you all know, a smart investor always plans and he buys more units. He buys when the market is low and he sells when the market is high. This is a smart investor. The similar strategy is also adopted in SIP. In Smart SIP, what we are doing is, in Smart SIP, what is being done is, say for example, the market level of the equity, it is considered as 52,000 rupees. So that is the base level. You are starting an SIP for 5,000 rupees. Okay, 52,000 rupees. When the market is more than 52,000 rupees, your SIP will be activated at 5,000 rupees regularly. But when the market falls down by less than 52,000, say 51,000 rupees, your SIP amount will increase by 100%, that is 10,000 rupees. So when the market comes down beyond a certain level, your SIP component will increase. Whereas when the market stabilizes at 52,000 and above, your SIP that you have executed will be continued. Say for example, here I have taken it as 5,000. So when the market comes down below 52,000, it will be 10,000 rupees. So as a result of it, what is happening? You are able to gain more number of units when the market falls down. So the value of your end fund will be more. So this is the difference between a Smart SIP and a regular SIP. Now, who are all offering this Smart SIP? Of course, some companies, mutual fund companies are there. Say for example, HDFC, Axis, Kotak. They are all offering, ICICI, they are all offering this Smart SIP. Now these are all automated, you do not worry about it, everything is done without any, once you give your execution, it will be done. Now, based on this, I will give you some investment strategies for the benefit of all our this thing. See, SIP is one of the best this thing, everybody should start an SIP. And not only SIP, you should always go for top up. Yeah, whenever you fix an SIP, go for top up, which will earn you more number of units, and your this thing will also be very high, because as the income increases, you will have to increase your SIP component also. Similarly, when the market comes down, you can also follow a strategy that you can always go for one-time investment also when the market comes down, and invest in those funds where you have started your SIP. In this way, you can increase your fund, increase your fund value, and your wealth also being generated. So these are and similarly, whenever I say about SIP, it is all long term. You will have to stick to it. You should not time the market, but you will have to time for a longer time in the market. This is the way we can improve your wealth and also reach the goal. So once again, I wish you all the best, and my Diwali greetings also. Definitely you please watch my channels and also subscribe, and also share to your friends and other people also, so that more and more people can be benefited. This is the way. Once again, Diwali greetings, and definitely you can go to your distributor or advisor, take advice, or you can come to me, Mr.V.Subramanian, 9787552042. Thank you very much.